Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best fall lipsticks. Now, keep in mind, this is just based off of my opinion. These are colors that personally inspire me right now, and there are so many great ones at the drugstore. I feel like drugstore lip products are a great way to experience different shades and play with certain colors without breaking the bank. And I chose 5 affordable lip products, all different formulas, but all trusted formulas, so you guys will know that I recommend these. Okay, so let's start. I wanted to choose different kinds of colors as well. I wanted to have some nudes in there, and I also wanted to have more bolds one like the one I'm wearing. So I'm going to be sharing all of these with you. Let's just get right into it. The first one I want to tell you about is from CoverGirl. It's one of their Melting Pout matte liquid lipsticks. This is a very long-lasting formula. To me, it's very comfortable. I mean, it is a little bit more drying than some. I would compare it to the Milani Amore matte lip creams. It's a little bit more of a drying formula. But that being said, it lasts a very long time, and the shade that I am specifically really inspired by this fall is Current Nude. To me, it has a little bit more of a cool mauve-y undertone to it, which I feel like is a little bit grungy. I mean, it's leaning grungy. It's not super gray though, but it kind of makes that trend a little bit more wearable in my opinion. So I really have loved this, and I wanted to make sure I included something like this if you're wanting to wear a nude for every day. Do you know what I mean? Because a lot of people might not want to wear a bold brown lip, you know, to school or work all day. So I wanted to give you an option, and this was a very cool kind of nude color that I felt was really, really awesome. So that's the first one. The second lipstick that I wanted to talk about is a little bit more of a rosy toned mauve, but it's still in the mauve zone. I don't know, I'm into mauves right now. And so I wanted to share this one with you guys. This is actually from Essence. It's one of their matte lipsticks. This is in the shade 02. And again, it's a very nice rosy kind of mauve color, a little bit deeper than the first one that I just showed you, but still a nude in my opinion. I feel like this is a good way to wear a nude, but have it be a little bit more bold for every day. This formula is really good. It's from Essence, so it's very, very affordable. I feel like this is a great product to just kind of throw in your backpack or your purse if you're on the go, and you can touch it up throughout the day. It says it's a matte formula. I would say it's more of a semi-matte. It's not drying at all, but I really, really like this one, and I felt like if anybody wanted to have a slightly more berry mauve, this would be a really great lipstick for that. And also, if you're not really comfortable wearing very much lipstick, you might want to try something like this first before dipping into something more intense for fall. So that's the second lipstick. I'm excited about this one as well. It's beautiful. So if you want to have kind of a little bit of fun with your fall lipstick, I felt like this one from Colourpop was amazing. Colourpop actually recently launched a full collection of new fall Luxe lipsticks, and I bought several of them, but for some reason this one really stuck out to me. This is their Creme Luxe lipstick in the shade Better Off. It's such a fun kind of pumpkin orange. So if you want to kind of play around with color and you want to wear something a little bit more red orange, this isn't very bright. They made another color that's pretty bright, very neon almost orange. This is more muted to me. It's a very true terracotta color, and I feel like it's a really wearable shade, but it's also so fall and it would look beautiful with a sweater. Do you know what I mean? I can just see this color in the pumpkin patch. Do you know what I'm saying? I love this one. The cream formula of the Luxe lipsticks are beautiful. They feel so luxurious on the lips, and again, this is such a fun shade if you want to kind of play around and do something a little bit more bold with a warm tone this fall. I feel like this is a perfect lipstick for that. So this next lip color has my heart, you guys. You may have seen me use it in my fall drugstore makeup tutorial. I will link that video down below if you want to see an entire look with this, but as soon as I put that on, I was so happy that I picked it up. And the thing that I love about this color is it's a little bit more of a rose, but it's bold. It's like a bold rose, and I love that. It's a little bit more of a nudie rose. I can't really explain it. Obviously, you'll be seeing the swatches so you can see what I'm talking about, but it's the Milani Amore matte lip cream in the shade Loved. Oh my gosh, I love this color so much. It inspires me for fall. I think it's gorgeous if you just want to run out the door and do a really simple eye, kind of like the one I'm wearing today, and you just want a bold lip. This isn't too bold though. I feel like it's so wearable, but it makes a statement and it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it just looks so good. I love this color. It's one of my favorite colors I've found this year. I feel like it's so stunning. This formula is slightly more drying, but it does last for hours and hours and hours, which is great if you want to wear a bold color all day or for several hours. A liquid lipstick is a good option, so I wanted to tell you guys about that one or give it another mention on my channel because it's just that good. So the fifth and final lip product that I wanted to tell you guys about is from Physicians Formula. This liquid lipstick formula is one of my all-time favorite formulas ever. I love Dose of Colors, I love this one, and a couple others, but those are my go-to when I recommend a liquid lipstick formula to anybody. This is the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nutritious. It's a very beautiful kind of chestnut brown color. This is the deepest shade because I wanted to keep all the shades in this video pretty wearable, and I feel like this is still appropriate for an everyday basis, in my opinion. This is what I would wear every day. If you guys don't know, I will go like way deeper in shades than this. Like I love a vampy lip, but I wanted to keep this kind of wearable. Do you know what I mean? Like I love to experiment with my lip colors, but I know a lot of people, if they're going out in public, they still want to be, you know, in their comfort zone a little bit. And so I felt like this is a very beautiful, deep fall shade that could still be in your comfort zone. I love how this looks. It's beautiful. It's a nice kind of brownish red. Like it's a perfect mixture of brown and red. I love it. I think it's so pretty. Again, this formula is very comfortable on the lips. You'll notice when you apply it, it's a little bit more of a liquidy formula. Just wait for it to dry, and once it kind of dries down, it's not gonna feel really crusty dry on your lips, but it's gonna feel really comfortable. Just wait for it to dry down, and it will wear for hours as well. So I had to talk about this one. I'm in love with this shade. I think it's so beautiful, and so this is a great bold fall lip color as well. All right, you guys, so that is it. That completes this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments what your favorite fall lipstick is right now, and tell me why. Like, what colors are you guys wearing right now? What are you into? What do you wear on an everyday basis? Do you even wear lipstick? Do you like lipstick as much as I do? I want to find out. So let me know in the comments below what you guys are wearing right now, or anything that you would recommend for me to wear this fall, because I always love your recommendations. If you are interested in any of the lip colors I mentioned, as always, they will be linked down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and check them out there. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Allie, and I'm obsessed with makeup. If you want to join the family, please do so by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber but you want to be notified every single time I post on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, you can click on the bell after you subscribe, and that'll mean you'll be notified every single time I upload. So that's everything, you guys. Happy fall. I hope that you are excited about some of these lip products that I talked about. If you pick any up, let me know which one you picked up and why and how you like it. I would love to know. Okay, I love you all so much. Thanks for always coming back to my channel and watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you. Bye!